That's not any bread. That's semolina bread. This style of bread requires a pre-ferment the night before with 120 grams of water, 120 grams of flour, and a pinch of yeast. Give it a good mix, lid on, and go to bed. The next morning, your poolish goes from this to this. All that stuff makes good bread. Add that poolish to your mixer along with 180 grams of warm water. Using the paddle attachment, dissolve that with more yeast, your olive oil, and 8 grams of kosher salt. Give a couple, 2-3 seconds. 94 grams of bread flour, that's semolina. The same thing you make pasta with, and the signature of this bread. 334 grams. Let the paddle bring it together. That's it. Cover it with plastic. We gotta let it hydrate before we can work it out. Now we can use the hook and let that dough work out for 7 minutes. Semolina needs a little time. See how nice and smooth? Cover tightly with plastic and let it rise in a warm spot. This dough is so nice. Divide it into two, about 430 grams apiece. We're gonna shape 2 loaves. First, make 2 planks, fold it in on itself, and in again, seal the ends, all the way around, and even it out. And onto a sheet pan to proof. You could accelerate the process with a heating pad and a plastic Rubbermaid container like me. They're proofed and I could slash them, but I'm painting mine with a thinned out egg wash, hitting mine with sesame seeds because I like them, and then I'm slashing them and preheating my oven to 450. Now we're proofed. See how those slashes opened up? That's how you know. Straight into your oven, drop it to 400, and 25 minutes later, it's done in the oven, but it's still baking on a rack for another 30 before we use it. Semolina bread.
That is chewy good bread. It's got a crispy crust, soft and chewy on the inside.
But,
Love it for a sandwich. That's a good bread.
see what I'm saying?